Hi, I'm Lang Lang, and I'm very excited and honored to be part of this Deutsche Gramophone's 250th anniversary celebration of one of my absolute favorite composer in the world, Beethoven. And I'm also quite surprised when I heard a new piece which discovered recently. It's called the Minuet in C. It's actually composed by him, the great Beethoven. And it's a very, very beautiful, very charming, very fresh miniature of a beautiful piano piece. I'm very honored to record as the world premiere recording of discovering new piece by Beethoven. I hope that you will like this beautiful piece, and it's already available on download and on streaming services. So please enjoy, and let's have a little surprise of this piece.